Hello everyone. Today I want to present you a drilling and screwing machine from Parkside Performance. It comes with a 5-year warranty, a brushless motor, a metal chuck, a gear selector, a battery indicator and a work light. It works with batteries from the 12-volt range. It has 35 Newton meters and handles the load quite well thanks to that brushless motor. It is also very well packed in a textile bag on which Parkside Performance is written. Inside, we find 2 sets, one filled with a lot of bits and a support for them, and another with a few drills for wood. At the bottom of the bag, the charger and the drilling and screwing machine are well placed together with the 2-amp battery. In conclusion, this set is complex and of good quality that can come to your aid in many situations where you need a light and compact drilling and screwing machine to make your work easier. If you like this clip, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to do tests with this drilling and screwing machine, write in the